Hey guys, so today's video is all about my pimples. I've been breaking out lately and I want to show you this amazing way of how I cover them up. So for my base, I applied the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer all over my face as sort of a foundation, and then taking a damp sponge and blending that out. So to cover these pesky blemishes, I always go in with my NARS Pot Concealer, and I go in with one of those like Artiste looking brushes. It's not Artiste, but you know. And then I just kind of dot it over the blemish. Wow, my hair is disgusting. And then, so now that it's dotted like this, I take a fluffy brush. A brush like this will do. This is the Luxie 233 Large Fluff. And then I'm taking my Wowder by Glossier. I don't know how people do this. It's like so many mirrors, so many gadgets holding the product. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the Wowder on that brush, tap it off, and then this isn't blended in yet. I'm going to blend it in with the powder. And just by dotting it on, just kind of pushing it into the skin versus swirling or moving the product anywhere. And this will keep the best coverage for all of your pimples. Can you see it? No, I know you can't. So that's my little trick to cover my blemishes. I love it. Now I'm gonna just set the rest of my face. So that is it for my complexion. I hope that you guys enjoyed my trick to cover my blemishes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!